Gage, what are we working on?
Spin, and then a flip, and then a twirl.
Yeah, okay.
And then a dance.
Sick, let's see it.
I don't know if I have it yet.
Spin, and then a flip, and then a twirl, and then a dance. Sick, sick. Yo, the splatter though. You wanna try that again? Yes. Let's get it. So slippery.
Yep.
Woo! Yes. Yeah, that's a, wait, hold on, hold on. Watch out.
We've blown that spot up so many times.
That's
because I can just. It just keeps going.
Oh, man, that was cool. That was that beat slide out.
Good Gage?
Yeah. Oh, I'm mistake. Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Do I need dental work?
Wait. Go ahead. I missed it too. I was playing with the settings.
I'll do one in lens. I did not think I blocked that strong.
It was really good. You jumped like 10 feet in the air.
Yeah, it went way up. That was not as good.
Not as good as the last one. Get it. Do it. Redemption.
Yeah, I'm gonna work on the rest.
All right.
Because I'll put this in the whole thing. Just practice everything more. Back and forth.
Yeah.
The ADHD style.
What happened? Are you bleeding on your shirt? This is what depression looks like.
Oh no!
Oh no!
I forgot.
Oh, that's awkward.
Oh wow! I forgot what I was doing. I lied. I want to Kong, land, fly it off.
Oh, that'd be sick.
Right?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let me do this part back.
You gonna full it?
Or just half, just for extra steez. Alright, so Kong, fly free, deep down, nonsense moves, more nonsense moves, and Parkour.
I'm ready. Wait, what was I doing? I forgot again.
Stupid.
Oh, sick.
It felt dumb.
Well,
I think so.
it looks good.
Okay.
Just kidding. I just want to.
Can I see that fat side you were just doing?
Jeez.
Think I can do it?
Yes, I absolutely think you can do it. What are the odds?
No.
1 in 10? All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, 4. Yo! Let's go!
He always wins this stuff.
Yo!
That was not nearly as bad as I was thinking.
You gonna send it again?
Yeah.
All right, yes, go.
That was like landing on a cloud.
He's rolling down his window. Yo! So close!
I was determined. Can I get one more try? Can you do one more?
He's really close. Can you do one more thing? Flat.
Off that rock.
Flat.
Good.
Yes! Yes!
Thank you. This is
You
beautiful.
have to land it.
Yeah, this is it.
You all have to.
All the pressure's on you now, man. Ready?
Filming. Oh. All right, all right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Woo! Oh, my bounce. That was really nice.
That was it.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, that was it. Thank you. I'm back.
That was horrible. It was all like, I was like, okay, I don't have a punch. I'll do Webster.
That's okay, right? Yeah.
Me.
Yeah. Oh, I'm hungry.
You're disgusting.
Wow, that hurt. I had a spread.
Yeah. You had a good more run up though.
Yeah, we definitely
Like you were,
we weren't doing it standing by any means.
you were like right here. Purely standing.
I'll do one step.
I'll tell you now, I can't pure standing this. Yeah, same here. Oh my god.
You know what? Your duck make way more sense. You can do that.
Your standing is like my one step.
It's too hard to do, like, to get forward with standing. I'm like, I don't have anything to give me momentum forward.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought it had to be a dash pre to back to the rail,
No.
right? On the ground.
Oh! Oh, that was a rail on the ground.
Yeah.
Those are fun.
Take a route. I'm like,
Yeah.
No, yeah.
So set everything up. And because people were coming from San Diego, yeah. Oh, got started.
Go, go.
I got stuck on the side with the words.
What happened?
I'm stuck, bro. I got stuck.
I tried to like get with a momentum.
I saw him, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go right into him. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Yes. I forced it out of that side flip. Get it, Hunter. Webster. Webster. Yes. Yes.